I used to be a person that ran from anything that made me uncomfortable. And over 10 years ago, before my Christ following days, I was in my mid 20s. And I know, I still look like I'm in my mid 20s, minus the hair. But I'm 37 now. And you know us Asians, we don't raisin. But back then, I had no work ethic. I never held a job. I even tried being a waiter at a sushi spot called Amakara that lasted 1 month and then I got fired. I even started a video production company, but I had no integrity or drive to keep it up. My dad supported me financially, and at one point in my life, I was even selling weed and drugs. And then in 2015, I gave my life to Christ, and that's when everything changed. That's when the switch flipped, and I found purpose. I didn't want to go back to my old mess and my destructive ways. And since then, God's been teaching me what real manhood looks like. I've learned to hustle, not for validation, but for purpose. To work hard, not for applause, but out of obedience. And I've learned to lead, not because I'm strong, but because I know who strengthens me. That's Jesus.